Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the host and picking priorities. Allocate extra cores and RAM to the virtual desktop so the guest has breathing room, and close heavy host tasks that steal cycles. Once done, switch to a wired connection or a clean 5 GHz Wi-Fi channel to lower latency. Make sure the hypervisor has GPU pass-through or virtual GPU enabled if available, because graphics acceleration dramatically reduces frame rendering time and perceived lag. Next, you optimize the virtual machine itself. Install paravirtualized drivers like Vertio or VMware tools so disk, network, and display operations are efficient. Then set fixed CPU and memory reservations rather than leaving them dynamic, because steady resources avoid stutters. Adjust the guest display resolution and refresh rate. Lowering them reduces bandwidth and rendering time, and disable heavy desktop effects inside the guest, since compositing and animations increase GPU and CPU load. For the final steps, tune networking and finish with housekeeping. Implement macOS so remote protocol packets get priority, and configure MTU to avoid fragmentation. Update host, guest drivers, and hypervisor to the latest stable builds to fix known performance bugs. Once complete, test responsiveness. If you still see lag, create a minimal VM to isolate problems and inspect hypervisor and guest logs to find CPU, network, or I/O bottlenecks. This targeted test is your best troubleshooting tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.